My name is Bianca Matisse-Taylor. I'm a content creator and vlogger. I vlog, create a ton of videos, and I post a lot. I love expressing myself and my experiences online. I love the simplicity of the Canon EOS R50. I was able to be in the present moment because I wasn't so busy thinking about how to technically make the camera work well. You guys, I love my new EOS R50. I can easily switch between photo and video modes and rotate the camera for vertical and horizontal content. The lighting is always balanced. Everything looks the way that I would like it to look, no matter if I'm in low lighting or super high exposed areas. I love the vibrancy of the shots. It feels natural. Cheers, guys. Thank you, guys. The first time I picked up the EOS R50, I noticed immediately how light it was. Not only that, when I turned on the camera and saw the footage that it was capturing, my mind was blown. I was like, how can the quality be so good while it's this light in my hand? And it definitely makes me want to walk around with it all day. Hi guys!
Hi everyone!
So today we're playing so much tennis.
Yeah. I'm gonna kick her booty.
She's not. She's gonna think that she can, but she won't. I'm loving the RF lenses on the EOS R50 because for every different scenario that I'm in, I feel like there's a lens for it. Zoom lenses are a ton of fun. It's also amazing like how far I can zoom in with the quality still looking amazing. The autofocus on the EOS R50 is so wonderful because with vlogging, I'm moving around a lot. You can tap and have one person more in focus than other people. It just is so easy to use. One of my favorite things to do is to post in the moment. The wireless transfer makes it super easy to get photos either with the Canon Camera Connect app or with a USB cord and be able to post them instantaneously. My favorite thing about being a content creator is being able to fully show up as myself on the internet and to have the chance to reach a really broad audience. I love that anyone can express themselves with the easy-to-use EOS R50.